Hey, you, do you need to go outside? Go to the bathroom. The boosted boots. A dog pooping. Come on, pooper. Alright guys, here's welcome back to another video today, guys. I know you just saw me start the truck, but that's only because I have to move it to get the new project car out of the driveway. Epic. You be a good boy today, okay? Yeah. Okay. I love you. Bye-bye. Can I get one? Come on. Yeah, that's my boy. Okay, bye-bye. See? Alright, so you guys are probably pretty confused right about now, but anyway, I bought a new project car, and I know you're like, dude, you got the EG to finish, what are you doing? I know that. This car just came up, and it happened to be exactly what I wanted for the right price, and I couldn't help but pull the trigger. So I bought a new project car. I'm gonna show you what it is in just a second, but it's a chassis I've always wanted. It's a chassis that I'm really excited to own, and I'm also not gonna be working on this car or making really any content with it anytime soon. I gotta finish the EG first. The only reason I'm even showing it to you today is because I really wanna start vlogging again like this format that you've seen so far in this video. I want to give this another shot. I haven't done it in a while. And with that said, it's going to be really hard to make vlog style videos without you guys seeing this car like in the background, or, you know, me just driving it to work like I am today. It's so slow. Anyway, just as a refresher for those of you that are new here, I'm Boosted John. I make Civic, I make Honda content mostly. I like making stupid slow Hondas fast. I like making stupid slow Hondas fun. And today I'm gonna reveal to you guys like my new attempt at making a slow Honda fun. So I do have a pretty ridiculous story of how I got this car, and I'm going to tell you the story. I'm gonna show you guys all the footage from that. But before I do, I just quickly want to say I'm hosting a live stream on March 5th. During the live stream, we're going to be announcing the winners of the giveaway for the fuel injectors from Injector Dynamics. And also that giveaway is going to be like a truth or dare style giveaway, where I'm going to be taking suggestions and truths and dares from you guys on my Instagram account, and my friends and I are gonna be doing them throughout the live stream. So if you guys wanna have a chance to submit a truth or a dare that you would like to see my friends and I do in the live stream on March 5th, which I highly recommend that you were there. It's gonna be super fun. Please go ahead and head down to the link in the description down below. It'll take you to my Instagram account, and just keep an eye on my story posts, because I'm gonna have like one of those little boxes on there where you can ask questions or, you know, write things. And in there is where I'm going to be collecting the responses for the truth or dare. And last but not least, if you guys don't know what I'm talking about for the injector giveaway, all of that information will be in the description down below. But basically, you can win a set of 1000 cc fuel injectors from Injector Dynamics by purchasing Boosted John merch. So if you guys wouldn't mind hitting that like button and subscribing to support the channel, I'd appreciate it a lot. And if you guys would like to support the channel further, obviously there's the merch giveaway. And with that said, let me tell you the story of how I got this chassis. And what is this chassis? All right, let's do it. Kearney and I are on our way back from dropping off the valve cover for the full Ascent Turbo Civic to be powder coated. And Kearney and I started talking about this new project that I've been wanting to do for a while now. It's kind of something that her and I have been talking about working on together, kind of being like a couples project, like a couples car, like we're just gonna build it together. She's gonna learn how to drive stick on it. You know, she starts getting so excited because she's starting to see all the potential in it and what it could be. And so I told her to pull up Facebook Marketplace and just start looking and just see what she sees. Like I wasn't planning on doing this for months. Like I wasn't planning on going to get this car for months. She just got really excited and she was like, can we do it today? And I was like, see if there's anything available. Lo and behold, we found a car that seems pretty promising. Joe and I are on our way out to South Haven, Michigan to go check it out and hopefully make a purchase today. All right, boys, we've arrived. I'm about to go check out the car. I will report back to you guys if we make a purchase.
A few moments later.
I just drove the car. I've been looking it over. I like it a lot, and we're going to make a purchase. I'm gonna tell you guys all about it, but we gotta get the car home first. I'm gonna show you what it is in just a moment. Snowy road, bald tires. If you guys think it sounds like a Civic, it's because it is a Civic, boys. I'm so pumped. I'm about to stop at a gas station. I'll show it to you guys when we get there. We got a long ways home though, 2.5 hours in this baby. What a time to be alive, boys. You know what, boys? I was gonna show it to you here, but I'm gonna wait till we get home and have good daylight so I can give you guys like a good shot of it. But it does have a spoiler. I think a lot of you guys can already guess what this is. So all of a sudden, it is blizzarding outside, and this thing has completely bald tires in the rear, like bald. I was literally oversteering in a Civic. This is gonna be an adventure getting this thing home, that's for sure. Holy shit. Kearney! Kearney!
Oh my god! Hi! Wait, are you hungry?
Not really. Why?
There's a ton of food in there.
I might eat when we get back. Wow.
Alright. I want to go see.
Ready? Let's go.
Yeah, I know. Okay. Do you want me to go first?
Yeah.
Ah! Oh my
Can
god!
I close this? Do you have a key?
Oh my god. That looks so good. Get the sunroof cracked.
Yeah?
Okay, let's go.
Oh, you're locked out.
I love this.
Okay, get in. Power locks, boys. Can you believe it?
Another Civic.
Oh, you have so much stuff here. Oh, this is your treat that I got you for Valentine's Day.
Oh wait, we can save it.
Open it. Open it.
Well, I was gonna say
It's just a
save
little
it.
treat. Just open it.
No way! Oh my goodness.
Nothing font cake.
Yum! That's so cute. Thanks.
All right, so here's the interior. No radio. This is cracked. We're missing this.
Okay.
And this is kind of yucky.
Okay.
This is coming off a little bit. This headliner is slightly sagging, but the sunroof works. This light actually works really well. It's just really dirty in here.
Okay.
So we just gotta clean it. It's got freaking tweeters, so we put a stereo in it.
I like
bet
the smell of
speakers
it.
are deep. Back seats, because you were asking. And
Okay, John. Wow.
let's run it.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, look.
Is this
armrest.
open or no?
Yeah, open it. I don't know what's in there. I haven't looked yet. And here, I don't know what's up with your seatbelt buckle, but it is so long. It's so long.
Oh gosh. Funny. Okay.
First car wash. Will it leak? That's the question. Will it leak? Hi. Okay, so far it's just the soap layer. So far so good. Water. Here we go. Moment of truth. Oh boy. Anything here? So far nothing. So far nothing. I think no leaks. Well, still very wet. I love that rear end though. I really do. That's so cool.
Oh, why'd you park in a fucking puddle? I guess David was going in the back then. So how much did you pay for this?
$8 and a pack of Doritos.
They robbed you. They did. You shouldn't have gave them the Doritos, dude.
All right, well that was fun. We're going to Jewel. May I have one grilled chicken thigh? Oh, thank you.
$4.49. Savings, 49.
Back at work, I'm gonna eat lunch and then I'll see you guys on my way out. Well guys, today, oh yucky, is that ice? Ugh. Well guys, today went pretty good at work. Today was solid. We weren't too busy, which was kind of nice. It was kind of a nice like cool down day. Usually we're like super busy at work, or at least we have been. So today was nice, dude. Taking those guys for a ride for lunch was really fun. Anyway, let's get driving and we'll kind of talk about this car a little more. So guys, like I said, this car is not going to be on the channel for a while. I'm just daily driving it. I'm just I'm not really doing anything big with it for a while. I really am not. I was messing around with some radiator stuff for it on Sunday. It just really low key. Like it has a little bit of an overheating issue, so I was just trying to get that sorted. I didn't really get anywhere with it, but you know, I'm basically just dailying it for now, and obviously I have the truck still. But this thing was really cheap compared to the truck, and it's way better on gas. So I'm kind of just whipping this thing for now. For now, just to save some money on gas and stuff. Kearney and I do have very big plans for this car. Obviously, every YouTuber says that, but this is a type of build I've wanted to do for a very long time. Like, not so much of an emphasis on the motor, at least in terms of performance, but more of an emphasis just on the quality of the build in general. Like, I really want this car to not be overlooked. I don't want areas of this build to be overlooked. I want to take my time. I want to do, honestly, really cool stuff, like really cool. Here's the thing, like when I say cool, I don't mean like a whole turbo kit, right? Or like an engine swap. I mean like cool details. Like I want to get like a dope titanium oil cap or something from like a cool company. You know, just little like cool stuff. Like I really don't know a better word to explain it. Like unique, rare parts maybe. I don't know. It's such a shitbox right now. It's really hard to imagine this car being anything special, but I promise it's gonna be awesome. I already have it all blueprinted out in my head, and I think you guys are gonna really enjoy it. Anyway, we got a little bit of a drive home, so. It's so fun to drive, dude. Like I just increased my speed by 4 miles per hour. Oh, dog. Gentlemen, that is it for this video. Thank you guys for being here. I'm gonna end it here because I'm actually about to start filming another video going out to my friend Mark's shop to continue to work on the intake manifold for the full send turbo Civic. I'm in the process of porting the runners, as you guys have seen, as you guys saw in like a throttle body video. It's taking a while because it is a pretty time consuming process, but it's gonna be really cool when it's done to have like a fully ported intake manifold. Anyway, I'm going out there at like 9:30 tonight to start working on porting that thing, and I'm probably gonna be out there pretty late. I stayed out there pretty late last time. I think I left there at almost 2 in the morning. Again, merch link in the description down below if you want to get entered to win those injectors before the live stream on March 5th. All of that information in the description down below, again, in case it was confusing me saying it out loud. It's all in the description written down for you guys. Thank you guys for being here. Thank you for liking. Thank you for subscribing. Again, I do, as you guys see, I work a full-time job, and it's a lot of work that I put into these videos, so I would appreciate it if you guys could click like and or subscribe. I would appreciate that a lot. With that said, I will see you guys in the next one. Hopefully more full send turbo Civic content. Hopefully it's the manifold video, and then the motor should be done pretty soon. Like the motor should be done in the next like 2 or 3 videos. Shit's about to get wild, boys. As I always say, let's remember to plan, commit, execute, and attain our goals. Bye. Let's remember to plan, commit, execute, and attain our goals. Today I might not have planned, but I did commit, execute, and attain it. Let's do it, boys.